A, B, C and D are 4 consecutive points on a circle such that the chords AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to 10 cm and DA is equal to 20 cm. The radius of the circle in centimeter is, and we are given 4 options. So it is given that chords AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to 10 cm and DA is equal to 20 cm. We have to find the radius of the circle in centimeter. Now we are going to picture the given information. Let this be our given circle. It is given that there are 4 consecutive points A, B, C and D on the circle, and also the chord AB is equal to 10 cm, BC equal to 10 cm, CD equal to 10 cm and DA is equal to 20 cm. From the figure, we can clearly say that the chord DA is equal to 20 cm is the diameter of the circle. Since DA is the diameter of the circle, we can clearly say that the radius of the circle is equal to half the diameter, that is equal to 20 by 2, that is equal to 10 cm. So the correct answer is option A.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.